Pardo Street. Good morning, Pardo Street. Here in Vicente Cruz, Manila City. Good morning, Manila. Good morning. Yes, guys. Shortcut na naman tayo dito sa G. Tuason Street, Manila. Yes, try natin mag-shortcut dito sa may McDonald's na ito. Cristobal Street. Try natin ito, guys. Try natin dito. Let's try. Thank you, kuya. Ito pala yung dulo ng Cristobal Street. Try natin dito, guys. Welcome to Cristobal Street. Alright, thank you, guys. Yes. Okay. Dito pala yung dulo niya. Alam na. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Part pa rin siguro ito ng Sampaloc. Sakop pa rin dito ng Sampaloc. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching here in the city of Manila. Alright. Bye, guys. Thank you for always watching. Thank you, guys. Ito tayo sa what street is this? I forgot the name of the street. I forgot na naman. I forgot the name of the street. Ay, Poreza Street. Poreza Street. Welcome to Poreza Street. Yes, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. And guys, sa may LRT, yan na yung Magsaysay Boulevard. Alright. And welcome here in Manila, guys. Bye. Thank you.